Hello, my name is Dave Bugai, and I'm going to walk through what to anticipate for the general construction sequence for Glen Ellyn's CBD streetscape improvement. This animation has been prepared to help convey the overall approach to help residents and businesses understand the major stages of construction. It is important to recognize that each block has unique circumstances, and the selected contractor will have some latitude with the sequence of operations to account for many variables such as availability of materials, unforeseen utility conflicts, or unexpected findings once excavation begins, along with weather conditions. Stage 1. To begin, there is a great deal of underground utility work that primarily happens within each of the roadways. In this example, the roadway is first closed to vehicle traffic with a detour put in place to provide alternate routes. Roadway closures can be inconvenient for cars, but can drastically accelerate the overall construction process as the contractor has more room to maneuver and operate. Barricades are used to close the road or sections of the road, as well as partition off a section of the sidewalk for pedestrians to use. Here shown along the outside perimeter of the construction zone. Pedestrian access will be therefore maintained to all the stores and buildings. Removal operations will take place, lighting, trees, and street furniture. It is important to understand that there are three major utilities that are old and need to be replaced. First, the deepest of these is the sanitary sewer, and therefore the trenching and replacement of the sanitary sewer pipe will occur first. Second will be a similar trenching operation for a new water main system. Third is another trenching operation for a new storm sewer. As you can see, the trench locations are backfilled with stone, so they are traversable for the contractor's equipment during the work. However, pavement cannot be placed until after the underground work is done, so cars cannot safely pass through, nor would anyone want to pass through the mess. Stage 2. In addition to the utilities that run parallel with each roadway are many lateral or service lines that connect to each one of these utilities. Water lines and sanitary sewer connections are provided to the buildings. Storm sewer drains or inlets are then connected to the storm sewer. Note that in this sequencing, the example sanitary service connection is partially installed as to not interfere with the initial pedestrian path provided. Then in order to complete the connection, the pedestrians are routed into the street, with temporary ramps used to navigate curb lines as well as bridge over the open trench. And then finally, the pedestrians are provided their original routing to allow for the completed sewer connection to be backfilled. Note that this example shows only the sanitary sewer installation for the building, when each building will also have a similar installation for the new water service line. The contractor may choose to combine some of these operations to take full advantage of each construction staging sequence. Next, the existing curb lines and roadway pavement are completely removed. Soil cells for the trees are then installed. These provide more room for the tree root systems to flourish. Light pole foundations and irrigation system pipes are installed. New roadway curb is installed. New roadway stone base is installed. New roadway asphalt base course is installed. At this point, the roadway infrastructure is complete. Stage 3. In order to construct the parkway, a temporary pedestrian route is provided within the parking lane. Temporary access is also provided to the buildings through multiple wood bridges and ramps. The sidewalk along the building is removed. New sidewalk is then installed. The barricades shift and pedestrians are again routed along the face of the buildings. Next, tree planter curbs, brick pavers, carriage walk, lighting, trees, and street furniture are installed. Lastly, the final roadway service and pavement markings are installed. All of the barricades are then removed and the street and sidewalks are fully open. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment on the project's website. Please note that prior to the start of construction of each phase, an informational meeting will be held to provide another opportunity for questions and comments.